In this tutorial I will show you how to make this letter portrait design in Photoshop. Pick Text tool. Type your text. I am using this font and download link in description. Go to File and choose Place Embedded. Right-click, choose Flip Horizontal. Follow the process. Pick the Quick Selection tool. Follow the process. Add a layer mask. Press click on text layer. Go to Select and choose Inverse. Pick the Brush tool. Choose the hard round brush. Follow the process. Choose the text layer and choose the blending option. Click on Stroke and follow the setting. Click on Drop Shadow and follow the setting. Click Adjustment Layer and choose Gradient. Follow the process. Also watch other tutorials in my channel. Leave your comments below you have any question.